Hi Buzz, thanks for shopping at Johnson Motors. Here I'm going to walk you through the vehicle. On the front bumper there are a couple rock chips here on the front. This is in the plastic part of the bumper, so you don't have to worry about rust or anything like that going on. On the right side there was a couple spots, over the center pretty clean, and then over to the left here I'll show you a couple more little ones. You have to get pretty close to see them. With this particular paint job, it's not something that shows up on the front of the vehicle very much. And then going back across, the hood, which is the metal part, is in good shape. Didn't notice any rock chips along the edge of the hood, which is good because that's what you have to worry about with rusting. And then going around the side of the vehicle here, zoomed out a little bit, but then I did see that there are some imperfections. It is not perfect, but you got to get pretty close. A little scratch on the side there, minor surface scratch. And then going around here, there's another little scratch on the back door, and then a little dent slash scuff there, and then a little scuff there that's barely visible. And then on the gas cap there is a little scratch again. Nothing major, nothing real deep, but it is there, and we wanted to be sure to show you everything that I could notice on the walk around video. On the back corner there is another little scratch, but again this is on the plastic portion of the bumper, so you don't have to worry about any rusting. And then for the rest of the passenger side, it's actually pretty clean. I walked by it, didn't notice anything. Not to say that you couldn't find something if you looked closer, but on a close walk around I did not notice anything on that side. And overall very clean from a distance. This particular color hides a lot and looks great. It's a great color combination. If it's something that you still want to see, give us a call, let us know. 715-246-2261. Thanks again. Bye.